Positive president is proving the pandemic isn't over. Many Michiganders are finding themselves right there with the president.
Some are now getting the virus for the first time. Fox 17's Matt Whitkos is checking out the number of infections in our region. And Matt, what is the data showing you?
Well, the community level you see here with the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services map shows much of the mitten is in the low area. However, if you pull back the layer of the map, it looks like this. From the CDC, the entire state is red, as it is a high level of transmission.
I think this is something that isn't going away. We'll be dealing with COVID for many years.
The Omicron variant still has a grip on the United States. As of Wednesday, in 13 counties that make up Region 6 in West Michigan, 122 people are at a local hospital. 8 of them are in the ICU.
Now it's starting more with headache, body aches, sore throat. Not as many people are losing their taste and smell.
Here are 2 different maps, one from MDHHS and one from the CDC. MDHHS map shows that COVID-19 impact on the healthcare system, where most of the state is showing in the green. CDC's map shows the exact opposite color, red. This one indicates the spread of COVID-19 in the community.
So we think that the numbers are actually much higher than the numbers that we're reporting, but we can only report what we test.
Medical Director Jerry Evans oversees and coordinates with hospitals in our 13 counties.
We're not testing nearly the number of people we did before. A lot of people are doing home tests and aren't reporting it.
President Biden is the latest to test positive for COVID-19.
And I really appreciate your inquiries and your concerns. But I'm doing well. I'm getting a lot of work done.
That's the one concern, is that his age, but most people, even in their 70s and 80s, are doing okay with this. They don't necessarily feel well. And it depends a lot on what other medical problems you have.
Biden is double boosted. Evans says despite the president getting infected, the best line of defense against suffering severe COVID symptoms is the vaccines.
And it has proved to be a very safe and fairly reliable vaccine. So the science is pretty incredible.
Evans says half of the number of people infected with COVID-19 at a local hospital are in their 70s to 80s. He says the good news with this current variant is it does not cause severe illness in the majority of people. In studio, I'm Matt Whitkos, Fox 17 News.